Hello and welcome to Wise Fuzz. In this video, we will be discussing two AI models, Stable Diffusion and Dall E 2. Both of these models are used for text-to-image synthesis and have gained a lot of popularity in the AI community. First, let's talk about Stable Diffusion. This is an open source project funded by Stability AI and Runway. It is built upon the research paper High Resolution Image Synthesis with Latent Diffusion Models. The project was mainly trained on the Leon 5B database, which is currently the largest open source image text database out there, consisting of 5.85 billion clip filtered image text pairs. Stable Diffusion is one of the lightest text-to-image synthesis models, requiring at least 5 GB of RAM and generating in around 3 seconds. This is compared to Dall E 2, which probably cannot even run on consumers' GPU. Now, let's talk about Dall E 2. This model was developed by OpenAI and has gained a lot of attention due to its impressive text-to-image synthesis capabilities. However, it is not open source, and OpenAI has not revealed much about how they developed it. Despite this, we can say for sure that both Stable Diffusion and Dall E 2 use clip and diffusion, and both use the same dataset for Dall E 1 to train Dall E 2, which includes around 250 million images. Moving on to comparing the results between Stable Diffusion and Dall E 2, it is important to note that this is a very general comparison. Both Stable Diffusion and Dall E 2 have multiple models, which may vary slightly from each other. The key to everything is the prompt text. Sometimes long and specific prompt texts are highly difficult for the methods to generate images accurately. Both are still bad at counting, but aside from that, Dall E 2 performs much better than Stable Diffusion on hyper-specific details and long prompts. However, Stable Diffusion can be more creative than Dall E 2. Dall E 2 has the ability to be more creative and obey completely to the prompt. It can understand complex concepts and generate that concept into a reality. On the other hand, Stable Diffusion may be inconsistent across its results due to the large diversity in its uncensored dataset and model, which is also the selling point of it. Aside from basic text-to-image generations, there are also other functions available or being developed. Since Stable Diffusion is open source, it is much easier to make interesting implementations, such as a collage tool where you can draw a rectangle and it can fill that rectangle with a prompt that you enter. There is also a text to video editing tool that is in development and will soon be on a Runway's editing app. The possibility is pretty much endless with Stable Diffusion and can definitely adapt to what Dall E 2 has to offer. On the other hand, Dall E 2's texture image synthesis contains functions that are relatively limited since it's not open source for people to implement functions such as generating variations on a generated image, or an in-painting tool where you can import an image and select an area where you want Dall E 2 to paint upon with a specific prompt. These might be basic functions, but Dall E 2 actually does them very well with high image coherence. There is also the popular crop function where you can expand an image's border, making it feel like you are zooming out of the frame. From the crop function, some people got creative and made some pretty sick zoom in, zoom out, or even panning videos. So, which one should you use? It ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Stable Diffusion is a great option for those who prioritize consistency and control, while Dall E 2 is ideal for those who value creativity and flexibility. If you are looking for a tool to generate high-quality images with a specific style, such as product photography or branding materials, Stable Diffusion might be the way to go. On the other hand, if you're a creative professional looking for a tool that can generate unique and imaginative images, DALL-E 2 may be more your style. Of course, these are just general guidelines and there are no hard and fast rules. The best way to determine which tool is right for you is to try them both out and see which one fits your needs and preferences the most. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI and we will see you in the next video.